Okay, we're going to do something else with Slab now. It's a little more difficult, but not too bad. We're going to make a pouch pocket. And here's some examples of what a pouch pocket looks like. Big one, little one. So basically it's either one big slab that's kind of folded up or two slabs. And I'll show you how to put it together. So we'll just start rolling this. Maybe I'll cut it first for the two slabs. And for this, I think I'll use, I don't think I'll make it quite this thin. Well, it might be too delicate. I'm going to use a little thicker sticks. Remember which sticks you pick, that's how thick the clay is going to be when you're finished. Now I want this to be kind of long, so I'm gonna keep going this direction. Maybe not that long, so I'm gonna turn it. Remember, you have to figure out the shape you want when you start rolling, or you're gonna not end up what you need. It's awfully thick. I think I'm going to go thinner. Okay, so I'm going to change to the thinner sticks and roll some more. Now this is going to be the back side of the pouch pocket. You can make these to put, like, you know, artificial flowers in, or if you make it a different shape, you can have it be a mail pouch to hang at home, or you can have it be like to put little things in and maybe make some hooks at the bottom out of clay to hang your keys. So lots of different things you can use it for. So this shape turned out pretty good, actually. Maybe I'll cut it more straight across the bottom. And also, you want it to hang on the wall, so you do need to put a hole in it. So the easiest way to do that is, while the clay is really wet, use a pencil. It works much better than a knife because you want a round hole anyway. And don't go too close to the edge. And just go through with the pencil all the way through, and you'll have a hole. And you have to flatten it out a little at the back. Okay? The clay, when it bakes, it's going to shrink. So you want the hole a little bigger than you think you're going to need for the nail on the wall. Okay. Now maybe I'll use some of the fabric here to put some design in it. Maybe I'll just do it sideways, so part of it's smooth and part of it's wavy. So, oh, this is going to look good. I like it. I'll show you how that's going to look. Actually, some of this is going to be hidden because it's the back of the pocket, but we'll know it's there. So there you go, you have a cool design in there. And then we're going to move that to the side because we're going to work on the top part of the pocket. Whoa, it got quiet in here. All right, so thinking about the shape here, It's going to be good. All right. And I might want a different design in this. Maybe I'll go with a little diamond shape here. You know, or if you'd rather use the rollers, that you can do that too. You don't have, it doesn't matter, whatever you want to do. I want you to be as creative as possible with all of your projects. Ooh, I like that. I like that better, I think. Looks like fish scales or snake scales or something. All right. I don't like to be real exact with this one, so now if I would just attach this like this, it's not going to stand out. What you need to do is crumble up some newspaper inside, and then while it's wet, then when it dries, it'll keep that shape. So I have a crate here that has newspaper in it. Just take a sheet, and that'll be ready to go when we get this attached here. All right. Now usually if the clay is nice and wet, you can use like a fork, or you can just use your thumb or something and just kind of pinch the two pieces of clay together. You don't have to use slip if the clay is wet enough, and I'll tell you what slip is in a minute if you don't know. Okay, so think about the opening. If you want this bent backwards a little, if you like a wave to it like that, you know, whatever you want, plan ahead and make sure the newspaper supports exactly what you want. Sometimes they say it's good for a little insurance to roll up a little ball of clay and add a little button of clay here and there to help support it, and also it's kind of cute. All right, so that's your pouch pocket. Okay.